Hey y'all, welcome back to Dunn's Forge. Today we're going to be making a coffee table frame. Pretty excited about this. It's going to be going on this beautiful slab here. As you can see, beautiful piece of walnut. Just amazing grain structure. Today we're going to be making this beautiful coffee table frame. It's going to be pretty exciting. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be kind of like a double-decker, double Y shape thing doohickey, I don't know. Put some leveling feet on it. It is gonna get powder coated, so we're gonna have just bare steel, and then we're gonna do a fit up with it. So it's gonna be pretty exciting. So this is gonna be kind of my first welding episode, if you will, welding metal fabrication episode, if you will, because I told y'all we're gonna be having it. I've been super busy here recently trying to get all these sting knives done, which I got all 55 round heat treated, finished ground, and then sent to my partner King Skull Metalworks in Garrison. He's going to be sandblasting and Cerakoting, and then we're going to get it laser engraved. Hopefully we'll be getting a laser engraver here either end of this year or sometime next year, so that way we can start offering laser cutting services or laser engraving services. We are working with a partner that did all of our laser cutting, so if any of the knife makers, anybody else would like anything laser engraved or laser cutting services, we should be offering those here in the next 6 months, hopefully. We are offering Cerakoting services. So if you are a knife maker and if you're doing mid-tech, small batches, whatever the case is, and you want some knives Cerakoted, hit us up at dunsforge07@gmail.com. We'll be more than happy to give you a quote. Obviously one knife is gonna be more expensive than say, a batch of 12 knives are gonna be cheaper. Per knife, that is, are going to be cheaper because, larger quantities, all that good stuff. We are Cerakoting ours flat black, Cody tan, and multicam gray. Those will be coming out here on Black Friday. Again, we thank all the ones that pre-sold. That really helped us out quite a bit. It also gave us a little insight into, clients and what people like. So we are going to be doing some more here in the near future, probably after Christmas, beginning of the year. We'll be doing another pre-sale for maybe the same knife, maybe a different knife, maybe a couple different things. We're also working on like self-defense, ice picks, which I forget what the Japanese term is for them. Be doing some camp axes and stuff like that. So yeah, enjoy this build. Please follow along, like and subscribe if you like my channel, like this episode. Hit that bell icon for future episode notifications. And yeah, have fun. All right. All right, y'all. So off camera, I went ahead and mocked up the first part. Went ahead and mocked it up. Went ahead and got 12 inches for these, 12 inches for that, and this one's 14 inches to help offset this beautiful piece right here, because it was like a giant crotch, so the tree split. But anyways, so went ahead and mocked it up because it took me a little bit to figure out the best way to get all that fitted. But this is it. And then make the legs, make the other one exactly like this, weld it all up, grind it smooth, put some tabs on it, some leveling feet. So we'll go ahead and cut the other one, and I'll show you that, show you how I cut it all, and then we'll get everything welded up. right, everybody. I think I lost a little bit of footage on the grinding, which I know most of you probably don't want to see that anyways, but I also made a little boo-boo. I made it 12 inches tall versus 14 inches tall because your coffee table frame is like, or your coffee table height is like 16, 18 inches on average for the American style. So I am putting 1 inch leveling feet and the top is 1.5 inches. So I meant to make the frame 14 inches. I don't know what happened last night. I guess I got tired, complacent. But easy fix. I just cut all the legs right in the middle, added 2 inches, you know, get it all back to square, plumb, all that good stuff, and weld it, grind it. And, you know, I didn't show footage of that because I'm trying to hurry. I'm also trying to sell my truck. So hopefully that gets sold today. That'd be nice. My old truck, that is. But anyway, so this is what I have right now. So, as you can see, let's see here. As you can see, this is what I got going on right at the moment. Everything's welded and ground, and then I went over it with an 80 grit orbital sander. So this is the top, this is the frame. So if you can see, I already got the holes marked out, and I already got them punched, and now I just gotta drill the holes. And then as you see over here, I got, where is it at? Kind of all over the place at the moment. As you see over here, come on, go ahead and focus. I got these marked out at 2 inches, centered, and then I got holes punched in that. I got to cut these off. Well, I'm gonna drill the holes, cut them off, round them, and then put that to the sides so that way. So I will put the little mounting brackets, if you will, and I'll weld them to the edges, and then that way we can mount it to the table, leveling feet, and it is gonna get powder coated, so I'm not gonna have a powder coated shot, but I'll probably have that on my Instagram, which you can follow me at Duns_Forge on Instagram or Duns Forge on Facebook. You'll be able to see some of the finished shots later on, along with the other 2 frames for the big dining table and the bench that I made for the client. I'm not the best cameraman in the world, but I already got the mounting brackets made up. So I just got 4 of them. Just gonna mount it to here, if you can see. I'll show you a better one whenever I get done. But yeah, just gonna mount this to here, or to the bottom, I should say. I'm gonna drill the holes first though, get the leveling feet, which are these leveling feet, weld it up, flip it over, weld this, and then it'll be done. Then we'll take it back there to the frame. We'll put the frame or the top on top of the frame, and then we'll have a good look at it, and that'll be it. So, roll camera. All right, y'all, here it is. I tell you what, these pictures don't do it justice for this camera, but man, that is beautiful. Beautiful. This client got this from CW Hardwoods, Cameron Wheel down in T. And he had the top finished in somewhere in Minnesota. Now, I can also finish tops. I'm not as good, but Luckily, I have a really good friend and a really good teacher. Let's see here, let's get some undershots. So this is getting powder coated, so it will be black. And also too, I broke one of the leveling feet. So right now I got carriage bolts. Just gotta get 4 more of the flat bottom leveling feet. But yeah, there it is, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This will be my second video that I have shot myself and will be editing. So trying to come up with different styles, trying to come up with something my own style. But yeah, the next build I'll have is I've got a really nice entertainment center that I'm gonna be doing some wormy cherry with some Peruvian walnut edge bending pretty much. But it's gonna be another metal frame a metal frame entertainment center with hardwood slabs or shelving. Sorry, my safety glasses are fogging up. And then matching bookshelves, which is gonna be really cool. So if y'all like this video, and if you made it all the way to the end, thank you so much. But if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit that bell notification for future upcoming videos. If you would like to support me, go to my website at www.dunnsforge.com and buy one of my knives, my bottle openers. I'll have some more merch on there. Hit me up at Patreon at Dunn's Forge. I got 3 or 4 different tiers to where right now you get a coffee mug or a hoodie or whatever the case is. But I'll eventually, if I can start getting Patreon subscribers, for like $5, $10 a month, to help support this channel, support Dunn's Forge, and to get some awesome video and get Brandon back up in here to do some editing, because right now I can't afford him 3 to 5 videos a week. But if y'all like to start seeing some better stuff, some epoxy tables, some really nice Damascus bowies, just all kinds of random things, just hit me up, let me know. Yeah, but awesome. Also too, hit me up on Instagram and Facebook at Dunn's Forge. Really cool stuff going on there. We're doing a giveaway, which I will be announcing today, because today is the 12th. This is for the Marine Corps birthday and Veterans Day giveaway knife that I still gotta do the leather sheath for. Also too, I'm gonna be making some tomahawks. I got one to give away for last giveaway, which is going to one of my reps. He won it. So congratulations, Skylar, by the way. And whoever's about to win this, congratulations. Y'all will know on Instagram. So follow me at Dunns_Forge on Instagram. Please subscribe to that too, because the more subscribers, the more content, the better it will help support Dunn's Forge, this channel, and my family. All right, thanks y'all.